everybody's getting free bagels along with orange juice for our free car wash starting today.
And a goodie bag.
And a goodie bag.
What time did you get here?
Around like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep because there are so many lights over here, and so it was not possible.
But was it worth it?
Yes, yes.
You know, this is my son and I, we've done these before, you know, when new businesses open, and this is like the best one only because you get to sit in your car and you don't have to sit outside in the cold or anything else.
And so why do you guys love Quack Car Wash?
I don't know. I think ever since our kids were little, it's like a little amusement park ride. You know, you get the lights and the foam and the, you know, soap suds, and yeah, just a good time.
I mean, it's kind of just convenient to where I'm at. I just live up here in the area, and it's just right here. So, and I've heard it's a lot better than like other car washes out in the area. So I think it's convenient.
Yeah, so the 5 of us got here a little before midnight, and we all just slept in our cars. I have a little bed made up in the back, but we were pretty dedicated. We were excited for some unlimited car washes, that's for sure. I love Quack. I think the customer service is unreal. I think the quality is unreal. I just don't think you can beat it. So I'm pretty avid. I am all about good customer service. I'm a Costco guy. I'm like an Apple guy, and I'm a Quack guy. That's like the level that I hold these two at. They're all in that high level for me.
I got here at midnight, and I thought, oh, I'll just come at 4:30, get in line, and I thought, let me just go check at midnight, and 4 cars. So I got a sleeping pad and slept in my car. I've actually been using Quack since they first opened in Roseville, so I've been using them for years, and I think they're awesome.
Man, what a beautiful morning this is, and what a great day to have our new promotion of our day 1 grand opening kickoff happening today. First 100 cars in line get a goodie bag with fun Quack swag, a bagel. 5 lucky winners get a year's worth of free memberships. And we're also fortunate to have had Cosmo from BYU here this morning, helping us out, handling this big crowd, handing out the bags, keeping them entertained, doing flips, and what Cosmo does best. I know it's early, but there was a lot of smiles and a lot of excitement.